No, it's a video. Keep going. I want to take a video of you eating pizza.
Why?
This is fascinating.
So
Look at this.
that fascinating.
Eat the pizza. Eat the pizza.
No.
But you pull it apart. Just eat the pizza.
No.
And make for a good YouTube video.
Yeah, I'm gonna get YouTube famous for eating pizza.
You will, the way you eat it.
I don't eat it strangely.
You pull it apart. It's
So?
strange.
Only sometimes.
And then you eat the soggy bread. It's even weirder. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on.